Introduce highlight features and overview of Snow Joe 24V-X2-SB15, 48V iON plus cordless snow blower kit, 15-inch, W/2X 4.0 amp batteries and charger. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Snow problem. Snow days just got easier with the latest addition to the 24V iON Plus lineup, 24V-X2-SB15 48V, 15-inch cordless snow blower from Snow Joe. Powered by the exclusive iON Plus series, Snow Joe features two high-capacity 24V, 4.0 amp lithium-ion battery cells. Shred up to 1,300 square feet of 3-inch snow with the 2-blade, temperature-resistant auger. And clear a 15-inch wide and 6-inch deep path in a single pass right down to the ground without damaging your deck or pavement. Lightweight and ultra-portable, Snow Joe is perfect for clearing more than just the driveway. Clean up the porch, pavers, sidewalk, and deck of snow without having to break out the shovel. Snow Joe's eco-friendly 750-watt brushless motor plows through up to 441 pounds per minute. And with the 180-degree adjustable chute, you can put the powder precisely where you want it, up to 20 feet away. So, when Mother Nature strikes, fight back with 48 volts of snow clearing power. 24V-X2-SB15 48V 15-inch cordless snow blower from Snow Joe. If you want to get full highlight features and full review, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.